No.
Add up to 180?
Yes, they add up to 180.
I feel like I spell parallelogram.
All right, guys, please be quiet. All right, so again, that means add to 180. All right, so again, consecutive angles are the ones that are beside each other. So like angle 1 and 2 here, right? Any two that are beside each other will add up to 180. Right, and we also know that opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Right, so that means angles across from each other. So like this angle will be congruent to this one. This angle will be congruent to this one. So then like for the top part, so that means the blue angle plus the green angle will equal 180.
Does that say add to 180?
Yes.
It just looks like a sideways rectangle.
That's what parallelograms are supposed to look like.
Well, yeah, but like yours is slanted and mine's not.
Well, that's okay.
It's just
All right, so if a parallelogram has one right angle, then all four angles are right angles is the next part. Right, so if you know that one of the angles is right, then all the other four also have to be that way. All right, so we also know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent.
why did you get a name for the West Virginia?
Right, so again, so that means this side is congruent to this side, and this side is congruent to this side. All right, and we also know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. All right, so who remembers what bisect means?
Is like the I don't remember actually.
Cross?
It's
Is
like
it
the
whenever
middle of it,
two
right?
cross?
Or something.
Kind of, but more specifically, what happens when the two things are like, it splits them into two equal pieces, right? So it splits it in half. So, all right, everybody pause for a minute and watch. The diagonal is a line drawn from opposite angles, right? So like from here to here, do the other one in blue, and here to here. So when it says they bisect each other, it means that it splits that one into 2 equal pieces and this one into 2 equal pieces. Okay? Everybody see that? All right, and so it is page 260, 1 through 12 all.
How much time do we have left in here?
We've got about 20 minutes. We get out at 12:15, I think.
What do we have after this?